Koe tale niti, oi Miss Tongatapu ua, koe tā oi nafa ma ulu ulu, ki he teu teu, e whaiva tuku whakaholo, oi ngahi ongo, moi maa whana, he kuonga oi haa tui e tolu o tonga. Koe tui tonga, tui haka tagalaua, moi tui kanuku polu. Miss Tongatapu's talent will be Tongan drumming, the beating of the drums or nafa, and specifically the ma'ulu'ulu drums. The ma'ulu'ulu is a traditional Tongan seated dance that is performed to the beat of the drums. The tempo of the beats are piutau, is a walking that signifies the call to war when the king calls his warriors. Each man has a sense of duty when called to war to protect their king and their tribe. Talua is the galloping, signifying going to war. Everyone is committed to the pledge that they made to protect the king and their tribe. Lele, or running, signifies the clashes of war when the warriors fiercely fight to protect their king and their tribe. Whakalali pakola is the sudden stop of the beats and signifies the end of war or peace. Tonga will celebrate the 150th anniversary of the adoption of its constitution in November this year. With Tongan celebrations, there's bound to be the sounds of the horses walking, galloping, running, and stopping as in the ma'ulu'ulu. Tonight, Miss Tongatapu displays the beat of the drums as a cheerful contribution to the upcoming 150th anniversary. Our heritage that continues to shape the lives of our people, our next generations shaping Tonga. Miss Tongatapu is carrying a war club, a paddle, and wearing a valangatu made of the wheta'aki, the traditional costumes worn in the days of our three kingships, and with their war clubs and paddling the kalia, crossing the high seas to fight for independence and freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Ms. Tongatapu, Fugalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi. and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 3, Miss Tongatapu, Fugalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi.